हाय, गुड मॉर्निंग किड्स। वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आओ कुछ नया सीखते हैं। आई एम योर टीचर मिसेस उपासना सिन्हा फ्रॉम डॉक्टर डी राम डीएवी पब्लिक स्कूल। टुडे we will draw some pictures from a circle. Let's start them. First of all, you have to draw a big circle. What we have to draw? We have to draw a big circle. Then draw these kind of triangles, one big and one small. Can you guess what I am trying to draw? आपको पता है मैं क्या बना रही हूँ? Think? You all are little genius, I know. Guess what is this? Very nice. It's a beautiful sun. Yes, you all are right. Now I am going to draw eyes of sun like this. Big eyes. For that I am drawing 2 0 and a circle inside. आपको 2 0 बनाना है और उसके अंदर 2 circles. Then a big smile. Okay. And a small nose. What is this? It is a beautiful sun. So we will write over here as UN. Sun. Okay. What we have to write? We have to write SUN. Sun. So this is our first picture from circle. What we have drawn? We have drawn a beautiful sun. तो हमने आज सर्कल से सबसे पहले क्या बनाया है? We have drawn a sun. Now we will move to the next picture. Our next picture is a bird with circle. So first of all you have to draw a circle like this. सबसे पहले आपको एक सर्कल बनाना है for the head of a bird. Then draw one more circle inside. इस सर्कल के अंदर एक और सर्कल बनाना है. Fine. Then draw one more circle. अब इस सर्कल के अंदर भी एक सर्कल बनाना है. Then color it. फिर आप इसको कलर करोगे. Okay? Are you able to see? Do it is visible properly to you? आपको अच्छे से दिख रहा है ना? Okay. Now I am going to draw beak of a bird like this. Fine. Now we have to draw 2 lines. As you can see, this is standing line. Okay. Now here we have to draw 2 sleeping lines like this. Okay. Do it is easy. Now draw a sleeping line from this like this. Have you drawn? हमने क्या किया? सबसे पहले एक big circle बनाया for the head of a bird. Again a small circle inside, then one more circle. Fine. For its eyes, then we have drawn a beak, 2 standing lines and 2 sleeping lines for the neck of a bird. Fine. Now you have to draw. अब आपको यहाँ से एक sleeping line draw करनी है. What you have to draw? You have to draw a sleeping line. Fine. Then turn this line in U shape and join it over here like this. Have you done? This shape is looking like J. Do we write J like this? It is inverse J. ये उल्टा J है ना? J तो आप ऐसे लिखते हो ना? ये उल्टा J है ना, it is inverse. Fine. Then I am going to draw wings. One sleeping line and turn it. We don't have to touch. Fine. Then draw its legs like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Have you seen a bird like this? Okay. Now we have to write down the spelling of bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Okay. Now we will move to the next picture. So now we will start drawing our next picture. For that, you have to draw a small circle. Fine. Have you drawn this circle? Now you have to draw 2 eyes. Guess what I am going to draw? अब आपको guess करना है हम क्या बना रहे हैं. Fine. Okay. Now you have to draw a smile. 2 tentacles. Any guesses? Think. Now from here you have to turn it like this. Now any guesses? Think. Join it over here. Now there is a twist inside. We are drawing circular lines. Fine. Draw these 2 lines and curves. See, what is this? It is a snail. Write down over here S N A I L. Snail. For snail, what we have done? First of all, we have drawn a circle, then 2 circular eyes, a big smile, then 2 tentacles. For its body, we have turned this line like this. Then you have to join it with the circle to here. Then we have rotated this line inside like jalebi. You love jalebi? I love. So we have twisted this line. Then you have to draw these 2 slanting lines. Then join these 2 slanting lines with curve. Okay? So it is our snail. Now let's move to the next. Our next picture is picture of a ladybug. For that, you have to draw a circle because today we are drawing with circle. आज हम circle से बहुत सारी drawings बनाना सीख रहे हैं, right? So first of all, you have to draw a circle. Then from here to here, we have to draw its head like this. Do it is looking like a bug? Yes. Now draw 2 tentacles like this. Fine. Now we have to draw its wings like this. Okay. देखा है आपने लेडी बग? रेड कलर की बग पे ब्लैक डॉट्स होते हैं. फाइन. वी हैव टू ड्रॉ फ्यू डॉट्स ऑल्सो. सो आई एम ड्रॉइंग फ्यू डॉट्स. ओके. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? You too have to draw few dots over like this. Now I am going to draw its eyes and a smile. Your bug is smiling. How many legs do an insect has? Do you know insect की कितने legs होते हैं? 6. So we will draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is this? It is a ladybug. So we will write here L A D Y, lady, B U G, bug. Okay, what we have drawn? We have drawn a beautiful ladybug. Now let's move to the next. Let's draw our next and last picture for this day. So first of all, you have to draw a circle like this. ठीक है? आपने एक circle बनाया. Then what you have to do? You have to draw another one inside. इसके अंदर एक और circle बना दिया. Fine. Then from here you have to draw a circle again. Now I am going to draw 2 ears. Can you guess what is this? आपको पता है ये क्या है? Think. Now I am going to draw 2 eyes. Now can you guess what is this? Think and answer. A triangle, one line here, another one here. I think you know now. It's a rabbit, right? What I have drawn? I have drawn a rabbit from a circle. So, what we have to do first? First we have to draw this circle, then from here we have to draw another circular figure, then this one, then I have drawn 2 ears, okay. Now it is looking beautiful, right? Then I have drawn 2 eyes, a nose, mustache, and smile. It is our rabbit, and at last I have drawn its feet. Now what is the spelling of rabbit? R A double B I T, rabbit. So what we have learned today to draw? First of all, what we have drawn? We have drawn a sun. Then second one is bird. What we have drawn at third, did you remember? Do it was a ladybug? Is it? No. Then think and answer me on my comment box. Bye bye.